Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to extract audio from video on Android. The first thing you do is you choose an app you want to use for the extraction. Now I'm using Xender, which is the easiest app to find on Android. So now I want to extract audio from my video. I simply, at the bottom here, I have some options here. Tap on to MP3. Then you tap on select video. Now you choose the video's audio on select. As you can see, give it a few seconds, it's extracting, and once it's through, here's the audio. So once you play the audio, you can share and delete it if you like. So that's the audio that was in the particular video I extracted. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to extract audio from video on Android.